Hi there, I'm here with Mr. Tony from South Survey, and he's going to present us a very unusual tripod.
It's a roll tripod. So once it's set up pretty stable, we'll take the weight of a scanner or an instrument, but the legs themselves roll up and unroll. The tripod itself is very light, and when packed up, fits in this bag. We also have Big Brother, which can go up to 3 meters for mounting lighting, antennas. But yeah, it's a really light tripod.
So, how much weight does this guy support? Because everybody will be concerned, you know, you're going to put a laser scanner, which is very expensive, or I mean, I can see it's a laser scanning mount.
Yeah.
And how much does it take?
It's 45 kilos.
45 kilos.
Yeah.
Okay. That will handle.
So to handle everything that people would want to put on it. It comes with pegs for the ground if you're on soft ground.
Okay.
Everything in the bag.
Is it customizable?
Yeah.
You can like customize for project needs, and I imagine you can. The material stays the same. It's just different
Fittings on the top.
Yeah.
So you just put different adapters for different fittings. Yeah.
All right.
So we have an adapter for a 5/8. Put a tri-brack on it.
Awesome. No, it's good.
But it is, yeah.
That's awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, no problem. Okay.